Hello, this is Sarah and welcome to my channel. This would be my first natural hair YouTube video. Originally, I've had this channel only for gaming, just like the Sims stuff. And I was going to put like other stuff, but now I just feel like, hey, people always ask me about how I grow my hair. I might as well just make a video about it. So I have almost waist length hair. It used to be waist length all the time from my old routines, and that's why I'm trying to get back into my old routine and showing you guys exactly what I'm doing to make it past waist length. But I'm very close to waist length, like a solid mid back, almost waist length. Like I have like a few more inches to go. So you can see my hair, it was stretched, but it's still stretched, but you know, it needs a little bit more stretching, but I'm going to wash it anyway. That's why I want to go over my wash routine. So if you notice like older videos where everyone had super long hair on YouTube, we did the whole no shampoo. Like everyone, you know, you watch the videos and like, hey, they don't use shampoo. I'm not going to use shampoo. But you know, more people, they're into, you know, sponsorships. I know I mispronounced that for a moment. Yeah. So they're more into sponsorships. So yeah, they're promoting the brands, and yeah, they're incorporating shampoo again. So you're like, do I use it? Do I not? I use shampoo, but not a lot. I'm a co-wash person when it comes to actually growing out my hair. But when I do shampoo, I personally use the Aussie Moist shampoo. This would be the only shampoo that I really like. It doesn't dry out your hair feels clean. And when I'm not shampooing, I like to use apple cider. It's apple cider rinse. I feel like you get the same effects of a shampoo, cleans your scalp and everything. That's what I'm gonna do like in a few minutes. You just mix it, well, I mix it with like warm water, half and half, warm water, apple cider vinegar. Just like make a good batch of it. Let it go through your scalp and you rub it, you know, just like rub it in, and everything's great. It cleans it and everything. Yeah, excuse me, I have like a little sniffle, so don't think that anything's bad happening to me. So yeah, apple cider rinse, best thing, better than shampoo. Just use shampoo when I just need to, so every now and then, at least once a month, every few months, not too much. So after shampoo, I'm holding my camera because I don't have a tripod. Next, after, you know, washing, I like to move into a deep conditioner. Now, my favorite deep conditioner ever, like I use this, like even when I use expensive stuff, I'll use this still, is the Aussie Moist Deep Conditioner. I used to say deep conditioner, but yeah, it's a deep conditioner. And that's the best one. It makes your hair soft, moisturized, and everything like that. If not, which I don't have it currently with me to show, my favorite would be the Macadamia Deep Conditioner. I use like the Sally's brand. The Sally's brand is great. I kind of feel like it's better than the actual Macadamia, like the name brand one, the one that's like $25. I feel like the $7 one, $8 one from Sally's is better, but I'll just use it every now and then, be like, oh, this feels nice to use something special. But yeah, I use that. I don't have it with me, but I may try to put a picture of it, the two macadamia oils, but you can just search macadamia oil and it'll come up, especially on Sally's website. Next, but well, let me tell you a little bit how I do it. I usually put this on. I don't keep it in for 3 minutes. I keep it in for like an hour. I know people say, well, it doesn't really matter, but I feel like it matters. If I put this in for 3 minutes, I feel nothing. If I put it in for 20 minutes, I feel like a little bit difference. But if I keep it in for maybe 45 minutes to an hour, I recommend an hour, your hair just feels like butter. So that's why I love this stuff, but I don't follow the directions. Okay, next, after deep conditioning, I just rinse it out with cool water and everything. And I like to use a leave-in, because when I used to go straight from washing to like a thick cream, I noticed like a few days later my hair still feels dry. So I like to use the Extra Moisture Transitioning Milk. Yeah, this is by Shea Moisture. It's the best leave-in ever. It like really, since it's, the consistency is Ooh, I can't show you, but it's not watery, it's not too thick. It really just gets into all the little extra areas that like near your scalp, and well, not like on the scalp, but near the scalp, all the hair, to get everything moisturized. And on and off, I use the Hair Dew. I'm not sure where to buy it anymore. I used to buy it from Sally's, and I think it's still on Target website. So I've had this for a year, but there's like the second bottle, I just had it around, so I stocked up on it. So I'm not sure if they still sell it. I don't really have a lot left. You can't see, but it's like in here, so I'm not sure what to do after. But this is good when your hair is already stretched, so it doesn't revert back so soon. Like, oop, I just use this for when it's already stretched. But sometimes I'll just use this on my end still, and it won't really make it revert all the way. And I like to use the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil. I use this on my edges and just parts of my scalp. And for vitamins, I like to use the Walgreens brand of the hair, skin, and nail vitamins. I feel like they actually make a difference. I've tried like the Nature's Bounty kind, and I'm not really a big fan of it. It's okay when these aren't on sale. So I talked about cleansing, deep conditioning, and a leave-in. So next, I would like to say the Curlaide Camille Rose, what is this, a moisture butter. I really like this. It's great for when you're stretching your hair. When I stretch my hair, I make sure I use this one. It's like, it's moisturizing, it's thick, and it like really helps with the stretching. Because if I were to use something else like what I'm about to show, it's okay for like detangling and everything too. But like I use this, I usually like do my hair half in a braid and then the rest in a twist, and it just stays stretched out. That's how I was able to do this style. But another leave-in that I use, that's, what am I saying, leave-in? Another leave-in, well, it's technically I'm leaving it in. Another leave-in slash stretch product that I use would be the Deep Treatment Mask by Shea Moisture. Now, it's supposed to be a deep conditioner or a mask where you just leave it in for so many minutes and then you rinse it out. I don't rinse this out. When I rinse this out, like if I use it as a mask like it says, my hair feels like straw. I am not sure why. However, when I use it as like a leave-in or like a cream for my hair, it's like awesome. I don't know why. As a rinse out, awful. As a leave-in, awesome. Not sure why. So I like to use this. Both of these items they're great, but this one is better for stretching out. I'm not sure why. This one's good for stretching out. Good versus better. Like my hair will still, it'll stretch, but still be a little, ooh, I don't know why my camera's shaking. It's good. So yeah. And I used to use the Tgin Butter mostly, but I don't know. I have like a love-hate with this because it's great for stretching out your hair. However, sometimes it like leaves your hair stiff if you do it too much. Like if you like put it on like 3 days in a row, like you think, oh, I'm just gonna add a little bit, and then you like really feel it. You're like, why does my hair feel stiff? And it feels a little sticky too, like kind of like honey, but a little thicker and sticky. So like I've been through, I don't know how many jars of this, so yes, I like it, but it just has more cons than the other items that I use. And and I don't have my blow dryer with me, but I use like, it's a purple blow dryer. I just bought it at Walmart. I can't think of the brand, but that's the one I use. I just use it cool, like rotate from the regular like blow drying heat and cool. It's on and off. I just like to use that, not a lot. Just I mostly focus on my scalp and let the rest air dry. And I haven't had any breakage problems. And for my edges, I like to use the Eco Styler green one. I don't know why. I can say that it will leave a residue if you like let the air expose to it for too long, because like I had a little habit of just leaving it open, like, and then I come back and it's a little thick. But when it's fresh, best ever. So yeah, those are the items that I use frequently, which I know the edge gel has nothing to do with hair growth, but it keeps my edges down right now. I told you I'm gonna, you know, wash my hair, so my edges, they don't look their best, like they're a little build up, so I'm gonna wash that out. So yeah, that's my video. I'm trying to get used to like being okay with people might say like negative things, but hopefully I get more positive than negative. I'm just showing what I use, and I know some people, they do videos about what they use to grow their hair, and you can tell that, oh, they're just saying this or that because, you know, like when they have the whole product line, so they're just trying to push a product. I'm just showing you what I use. Of course, I'm not sponsored or anything, but these are products that I just use along the years and stuck with, and that's it. And thank you for watching.